Hi, my name is Darren Joseph from HEJ.tax, and we're the team that seeks to demystify that sometimes confusing world of international tax. And today we have the honor and privilege of having a fantastic conversation ahead with Ricky and Todd. Ricky, would you like to introduce yourself, please?
Sure. Yes. Well, my name is Ricky Gutierrez. I work at Gutierrez Pujadas and Partners, an international tax accounting and legal firm here located in Barcelona, Spain. And well, we're mostly focused on
Okay.
international clients, also Spanish clients. And we'll be here to kind of answer most of your questions related to taxation in Spain and also a little bit in the US.
Fantastic. And Todd?
Hi, everyone. My name is Todd Cowan. I am a certified financial planner and executive director at London and Capital. We are a UK headquartered wealth management firm with a unique regulatory approval that spans the US with the SEC, the UK with the FCA, and the Spanish financial regulator, the CNMV, allowing us to provide regulated advice truly cross-border. And as of 4 months ago, I now live right down the street from Ricky in Barcelona, Spain.
Wonderful. What are the tax implications of running a US LLC while being tax resident in Spain? Ricky.
This is something that it's quite common, and it's something that we see quite often. Normally, whenever we talked about LLCs, the first thing we do to the client is ask, what type of LLC are we talking about? If it's taxed at a C corp, if it's just a pass-through entity, the way that it's taxed, it's quite different. If it's a pass-through entity, then everything at the end, the benefit that ends up at the end of the year, obviously this needs to be included in your personal income tax here in Spain. One thing that we've seen quite common, it's people working for the LLC while being in Spain. There's a big issue for that because obviously there are some rules when you become Spanish tax resident. Things like that you cannot be working for a foreign company in Spain unless you either become an autonomo, well, as a freelance, and then with the autonomo you pay social security. And then the other option, which nobody likes, it's registering the US company in Spain. This way, your salary is paid through a Spanish bank account, and then the company pays social security. These are two things that some people, whenever they come here, they come to us, they don't know. Obviously, you are free to do it, but if at some point you receive a letter from the tax authorities or social security, then obviously you will come asking to us or you will come looking for assistance. As I mentioned earlier, before coming to Spain, always do some tax planning in terms you need to change the status of your LLC. And if whenever you come here, you need to register as an autonomo or you need to register the company here. It's something that you need to be very careful if you have a foreign entity and also depending on the type of entity that you have in the US.
Absolutely, Ricky. This is so common, and people feel as if, for some strange reason, the tax authorities in Spain are being unreasonable when this is the international standard. If it were the opposite and you're moving from Spain to the US, the IRS would do exactly the same thing. These are international tax principles that are being adopted by countries that are attractive to internationally mobile professionals like yourselves, guys who have logged into this webinar today. Please, the ideal is to do the right thing and get advice in advance. But if you're already in the situation, you're already in Spain, then before it is even too late, then given the situation you're in right now, please reach out, get advice, try to correct it immediately, because this not only potentially impacts your situation, but also the company in the US. They may have potential corporate tax exposure because of what you're doing. So please get advice as soon as you can. If someone wants to reach out to you and consult with you, what's the best way to do so?
You can either reach out to me on LinkedIn or you can reach out to me via my email address at todd.cowan at London and Capital, all spelled out.com. We also have a website, London and Capital, and the and is very important. Make sure you do not forget the and or the ampersand in our name, because there is another institution out there that has some financial, unrelated to us, that has some financial troubles. And you want to make sure it's London and Capital, and you'll be able to find it.
Fantastic. Thank you. And Ricky?
In terms of myself, you can also find me on LinkedIn, and also you can send me an email directly. My email is ricky@gpasoc.com. Ricky, it's RICKY. And you can also find me on our website. We do have a website with Gutierrez Pujadas and Partners in Barcelona. So you can send an email to our website. You can send a consultation to our website, and obviously me and my team will be able to reach out to you, and hopefully we'll be able to help you with any issues that you might have.
Thank you very much. And my name is Darren Joseph, htj.tax, and we'll see you next time.